Hey everyone, it's Bill here with JK Southwest. Thank you so much for tuning in again. I really appreciate everybody who's watching. So we've done a few modifications to the Jeep recently. I think the last one I showed you was installing the JKS adjustable control arms. So far they've been awesome. This is my first time out on the trail with them though. Since I am solo today, I picked a real easy trail, what should be an easy trail. It's one a lot of local clubs run. It's called Railroad Canyon. It's pretty short and it's really close to town, so let's go check it out. All right, so far so good. The trails turned out to be pretty easy, just like I'd hoped for. We haven't gotten to that rock garden yet, so it may change. But the Jeep's feeling good. The control arms feel great, both on the drive to the trail, and then once I'm out here on the trail, I've got zero vibrations. The steering feels great. The wheels returning back to center after a turn, so I think I'm gonna leave it where it's at right now. I ended up settling on about 5.5 degrees of caster, which gives me about 1 degree of pinion angle. which is just a little bit off of stock. Stock JK is 4 degrees of caster and about 2 degrees of pinion angle. So we're really close. I'm gonna keep running this for a while. If I need to, I'll double check it down the road and see if I need to make any adjustments. We're almost to that rock garden, so I'm gonna stop here and run on up ahead and see what it looks like, okay? Stay tuned.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. When we can't read the sky, we just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
Alright, so the trail did get a little more technical. It's nothing we couldn't have made today in the Jeep, but since I am traveling solo, I thought better safe than sorry. We went ahead and got turned around and started heading back down the trail. But we'll be back in a couple weeks with some buddies, and we'll go through the whole trail and we'll film it and bring it to you here. So I keep getting a lot of questions and comments about what I've got for this or that, or parts and accessories I've got on my Jeep. So I threw a bunch of links down in the comments below to some of the items I've got. I'm not sponsored by any of those people or companies that I listed down below. That's just so you can see what I'm running. And I'll try and throw a few more reviews in down the road if that's what you want. Let me know if you have any more comments or questions down below, and I'll try and get back to you on those. And make sure you like and subscribe and share the video, okay? And we'll see you next time on the trail.